Naku mo ako mag-school. Ano pong gagawin?
Mag-bike.
Bike. Ilang calories?
50. 60 na pala. Capacity. Wow! Wow! Oh. Ito.
Let's begin, pal.
You're sweating.
Hi Bernadette ma at Leia ma, kamusta kayo? At pinabati kami sa inyo ngayon ni...
Hello! Ate Leia! Hello! Hi! Magkaon-kaon muna ako minsan. Hello! So, pupunta kami ng... Ay, hindi pa kami na-alegria. Hi, baby girl. No.
Fourth floor. Ikaw pinakakaliwas mo na ako. Happy one! Hindi pa tayo!
We are
The Weaving Team!
Oh, thank you kay Meljen. Grabe oh. Unlimited supply of ginger. Laki ng ginger. Grabe. Saan ka lang makita ng ganito? Thank you. Hi, BISPRINS! Oh, nandito kami ngayon sa Manila. Puntahan ko yung Derucci store. Derucci was established in 2004 in Manhattan, New York, and boasts over 2,200 showrooms worldwide, with presence in China, Hong Kong, Dubai, Australia, Germany, Italy, France, US, Japan, Canada, and Egypt, among others. From the East Coast, New York, to Southeast Asia, Derucci is fast expanding its global reach. Wow! Derucci's team of experts continually develop new designs that ensure a better night's sleep, marrying contemporary European aesthetic with impressive engineering to create beds that not only last a lifetime, but ensure a lifetime of quality sleep. Masarap ang tulog natin dyan, BISPRINS. And not only that, forever siya. Ngayon naman, BISPRINS, open na sila sa Unit 4 and 5, ground floor, the Teoff Center, 355 Pinpin Street, corner San Vicente Street, Binondo, Manila, Philippines. And ang kanilang brand ambassador ay si Chiu.
You will be given a special code, enter the code to open the attache case, and then the pillow is yours. So this pillow is made of Technogel. I don't know the science behind that, but it's made in Italy or Milan, pillow. Wow. Measure your katawan pa. Hindi lang basta-basta pillow.
So while waiting, upo muna ako dito sa kanilang furniture. Sobrang ganda ng furniture nila. Like, super cool. Feeling ko malapit na magdating si Chiu. Uy, baka makatulog ako dito. BISPRINS, sa kalimutan ko na mag-vlog. Ganda. Ready na to inom ko. Oh, walang laman. ka na talaga. How do you find Derucci?
Derucci is a global brand. Lahat ng gamit niya is really from Europe. Designer and all the... Parang nag-explain sa akin yung general manager nila. Sobrang high quality and then they have more than 3,000 stores globally.
Anong feeling mo ikaw yung first endorser?
Na-shock nga ako. I'm very honored of course kasi most of the owners here are Chinese. So,
Yes.
proud ako. I'm so proud and naiintindihan ko silang lahat dito magsalita. So, at home ako to endorse Derucci and high quality mattresses. So, I'm very happy to be one of the endorsers.
Galing, ang galing.
Thank you so much, everybody. Follow Derucci PH for their Instagram and Facebook. Thank you.
Kinabahan ako dahil hindi ko alam. Hindi ako sanay mag-interview ng mga artista or at least mabait naman si Kim. Feeling mo na yung kama, yung pillow, forever na. So pag binili mo siya, hanggang mawala ka na, buhay pa rin siya. Ganun siya kaganda. Kaya pala siya world class. Amazing kasi nag-open na sila sa Philippines.
Congratulations to Derucci Philippines for the grand opening of the first ever branch here in the Philippines. And also to Inday, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.